Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Snehal's Cookiteria. Today's recipe is a Raksha Bandhan and Narari Purnima special recipe. It is a very popular and traditional sweet from Kumaon region of Uttarakhand, which is made with the help of only 3 ingredients, and name of the sweet is Singodi. Watch the full recipe to know what is used and how it is made. So let's get started. Heat the pan and add 1 cup sugar to it. Keep stirring and let the sugar melt. Add 1 tablespoon water so that it will melt faster. Timing of adding the ingredients is very important in this recipe. Continue to melt on a medium flame. Now add 1.5 cup khoya to it. I recommend to grate the khoya a little bit so that it will mix fast in the sugar. Keep flame on the medium till everything gets evenly combined. After 7 to 8 minutes, it gets properly combined. Now add chopped cashew nuts. Once everything gets combined, add fresh grated coconut at the last and once again mix well. Adding coconut lends a fresh sweetness to the khoya. Add grated coconut 3 to 4 minutes before you switch off the flame. This will help you maintain freshness of the coconut. Now switch off the flame and take the pan aside. At this moment, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This step is optional but it adds lovely aroma to the Singodi. Now grease a plate with ghee. Spread the mixture over it for cooling and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Spread it evenly on the plate with the help of a spoon so that it will get cooled faster. Traditionally, this sweet is molded in a leaf called molu, which grows on the slope of mountains. But since we do not have molu leaves here, we will be using betel leaves, which will be shaped in the form of a cone tied with the help of a toothpick. As we are using betel leaf here, the sweet can be eaten along with the leaf and trust me, it tastes fantastic. Even if you don't have toothpick, you can stick the leaf with the help of the mixture itself. Don't forget to remove the stem before shaping it in the cone. In the same way, we will make other cones too. After 15 to 20 minutes, our mixture has cooled down. Apply ghee to your palms and take a small ball-sized portion and roll it cylindrical. Now fill this mixture in the cone and remove the excess if required. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. The best part is you can store this sweet in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Here I have divided the mixture into 3 separate bowls. In the first bowl I have added red color. In the second bowl I have added lemon yellow color. And in the third bowl I have added pink color. Use different spoons for mixing, otherwise the colors will get mixed. By mistake I spilled the pink color and this is what happened to my hands. Fill all the cones as shown before and garnish it with pistachio flakes and fresh grated coconut. Refrigerate this at least for 1 hour and then it's ready to eat. Try out this delicious sweet for the coming Raksha Bandhan and may this Rakhi bring all the blessings, love and care for you. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Snehal's Cookiteria. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye-bye.